How to delete Xbox account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, open up any browser that you have. Here I'm choosing Google Chrome. So just tap on Google Chrome and search for xbox.com. So just type in xbox.com and it will lead you to the home page of Xbox. Now after searching for it, what we're going to do is we're going to tap on the profile at the top right corner of the screen. So just tap on it and you'll get the option of my Microsoft account. So just select on my Microsoft account. After selecting on that, it will lead you to the Microsoft account that you have, and then select on OK. Now after selecting on OK, what we're going to do is we're going to lead to next, and then we'll be led to the Microsoft account. Here you need to tap on the profile at the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll scroll down and you'll find the option of close account at the bottom of the screen. So just tap on close account and then scroll down and select on continue. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.